Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel I do upload sewing tutorials, pattern drafting once a week. But in today's tutorials I'm going to teach you how to sew a 6 pieces gown. In our previous video I teach us how to draft and cut a 6 pieces gown with a zipper at the front. Those that have been subscribing to my channel, I appreciate you all, and if you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the red button, the notification bell, so that you're notified whenever I upload exciting tutorials like this. Please, if there's any question, request or suggestion, do well to drop it at the comment section below. Let's start. This is the pattern that we drafted on our previous video. This is the center front, which there's zip at the front. This is the center front, and this is the zipper allowance, and this is the center back. This is the side front, and this is the side back. I'm going to place it on a fabric. I'm going to use this fabric. It's 4 meters fabric. I'm going to use it. I place this pattern on it, then I will cut it. I'm also going to attach an A-stay because the fabric is not a strong one. It's not good enough to sew it that way. I want it to be somehow stiff. So I'm going to use feasible interfacing to gum it, and I'm going to cut a lining to it. After cutting it, I will show you the cutting. I've done cutting, placing the pattern on the fabric. I've done cutting it. Then I also use soft feasible interfacing, or popularly known in Nigeria as A-stay, the white A-stay, to gum it so that it will be very stiff or somehow stiff. Now this is the center, this is side front. I also went ahead to attach the wording to it, because I cut it a princess bustier that. Then this is the center front with a zipper at the front. This is the center front. I cut 2 pieces of the center front, 2 pieces of the center of the side front. This is the side front. I also cut 2 pieces. This is the center back. This is center back. I also cut 2 pieces for the center back because I'm going to deepen the center, the back at the waist, to eliminate that excess puff at the back area. Then this is the side back. I also cut 2 pieces of the side back, and I'm going to use this zip, a long zip. This 40 inches zip. I'm going to use the long zip for the front. Then I'm going to also place it on the lining to cut. Then I will show you. Okay, I'm done cutting the lining. This is the line. This is the center back, and this is the lining. This is the lining for the center back. And this is the center front. This is the lining for the center frame. Now I will go to the machine. I will join the fabric differently, join the lining. I have done joining the lining to each other. This is the front side, the front side, and the center side. Joining the center front from the side front. This is the lining. I join them together this way. The same thing goes with the fabric. I join both the center front and the side front. Now in order for it to lap very well, with this, when you do it this way, it will somehow fluffy this way. Somehow fluffy this way. Now I'm going to remove some excesses here in order for this place to be free and relaxed. Then you are going to detach the fabric from the wording this way. Detach both this side and this side on both sides. Do it gently. Now let me go back again. In order for this place this way to be more relaxed and smooth, we are going to eliminate this. We're going to open it up this way, open it up all through. The same thing goes to the on this side. Now we're going to use scissors. Gently you remove this excess wording. You remove it gently, don't rush. Be careful so that you don't cut the fabric itself. Upon removing it, these excesses, we are going to remove it, eliminate it. Then we also going to notch. So going to notch at the underbust, you notch, that's all. Also going to notch this one this way, so that when you turn it inside out, it will be very smooth. Look at how it is now. It is very, very smooth and curvy. Pointing out very well, not too fluffy and the rest. Now I'm going to join the lining. I'm going to join each lining to the fabric this way. This is the front one, front side facing each other. You join it this way. Starting from the down part, join it this way, making sure that it runs very well. Look at the middle here. You use your pin to hold it. I love opening it up this way so that it will be very smooth. The sewing, the stitches here, you open it up this way, you pin, then to this end you pin, because we are going to sew the down parts. Then the same thing goes with the neck line. Make sure that it matches this way. You pin, you pin. That's how we are going to pin all the fabric together this way. I am done joining both the lining and the fabric based on the piece. Then I also went ahead to top stitch the neck and both the side. I also top stitch the side to give it a very smooth look, to be very smooth when you top stitch up to the hemming part of the dress. The same thing goes to the front side. I also top stitch, I joined the neck with the lining, and I joined the neck lining, then I top stitch to the neckline. Now I'm going to join it this way. This is the back side. I'm going to flip it up this way. I'm going to join the both sides, making sure that the down part and the neckline for the back is the same. Then I'm going to pin. I'll use my pin to safeguard it before going to the machine to join it. The same thing will also go to the front side, making sure that these two sides, this ending, this hemming part rhyme. Use your pin to hold it. The same thing goes with the front side. Same thing goes with the front side. You hold it this way, also this way, making sure that both here, the hemming part and the neckline rhyme. Then you use your pin to hold it. Then we'll go to the machine, we join this part, this is the front part, and we join the back side. And also after joining it, I'll come on back side and the front side. This is the front side and this is the zipper allowance, which I will attach the zip here. This is where the zip, I will attach the zip here. Then I will fix the hand shape. Then I will put it on mannequin so that you see how it is. And while putting the zipper, you come up by 4 or 5 inches from the hemming part. You come up by 4 or 5 inches, and the zipper will start here and run through the neck line. Okay, let's go to the machine and join and put the zipper, join and pull the sleeve. Then I will place it on a mannequin so that you see how it is. This is the end product of our 6 pieces gown without joining at the waist, and we use a zipper at the front and flare sleeve. Please do try it. And those that be subscribing to my channel, thank you very well. If you are here to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And also I would like to meet you in our next video. God bless you all. Bye.